ReZero is a masterclass in exploring the depths of human emotion, particularly through its unique approach to death and suffering. Unlike many other anime where death is often a mere plot device, ReZero uses it as a catalyst for profound character development and emotional turmoil. The protagonist, Subaru Natsuki, faces death repeatedly. But it's not just about the act itself, it's about the psychological scars that come with it. Each time he dies, he carries the weight of his failures, leading to a cycle of emotional punishment that shapes his character in ways we rarely see in other series. Take, for instance, the relationship between Subaru and Emilia. Their bond is fraught with misunderstandings and the burden of Subaru's past actions. Unlike typical romantic arcs, their connection is layered with complexity. Subaru's repeated attempts to save her often lead to heart-wrenching consequences, showcasing how love can be both a source of strength and a cause of pain. This duality is what makes their relationship feel so real and relatable. Then there's the character of Rem, who embodies unconditional love and sacrifice. Her feelings for Subaru are profound, yet they exist in a world where Subaru is constantly torn between his responsibilities and his emotions. The emotional depth of their interactions highlights the theme of unrequited love, which resonates deeply with many viewers. Rem's character arc is a poignant reminder of how love can be both uplifting and devastating. The narrative structure of ReZero is also worth noting. The use of the return by death mechanic creates a unique storytelling device that allows for exploration of different outcomes and character choices. Each reset not only reveals more about Subaru's psyche, but also deepens our understanding of the world around him. It's a brilliant way to keep the audience engaged while simultaneously peeling back layers of character development. In contrast to other anime that often resolve conflicts through straightforward battles or clear-cut victories, ReZero forces its characters and us as viewers to confront the emotional aftermath of their choices. The stakes are not just physical, they're deeply personal. This complexity is what sets ReZero apart, making it a rich tapestry of storytelling that lingers long after the credits roll. Ultimately, ReZero challenges us to reflect on our own relationships and the emotional burdens we carry. It's a series that doesn't shy away from the darker aspects of life, and in doing so, it creates a narrative that is both haunting and beautifully human. The impact of its themes resonates deeply, reminding us that every choice we make can lead to unforeseen consequences, shaping not just our destinies, but the lives of those we care about.